Already first impression, this is a lot weirder. I guess it works. That indicator's busted, but this one does work. This could be something else, because this building did look like a... Oh. Yeah, they had our fire alarm systems upgraded at some point. EPCO SSL-H. Okay, well this one came back. Different door track, so this might not be this different indicator, but the other one has the Janus sensors. Elevator Refurbishing's got this too. Yep, these were Staley's, alright. It's got the same bell as 1100 Franklin. Which, by the way, let's have a little fun. That's a cool indicator, though. Holy crap. They freaking left. Okay. Let's see if this one comes. Somebody coming back. I can't tell. Beautiful.
Okay to enter.
Oh, you really hear the voice now? I'm curious.
Doors closing. Stand clear.
Can't tell. Might do another round on this one. That was a nice motor sound. Fixtures are the same as the other wing. They got the same mod. Oh, that's so... Though I love those bells, though. I'm sorry, I'm a sucker for Staley bells.
Okay to enter. Doors closing. Stand clear.
Cab view. Same cabs. We'll try to see if I can do another round on this one, because this one has a pretty nice motor on it. At least on the down direction.
Doors open. Okay to enter. Doors closing. Stand clear.
You're definitely running on the original controllers.
Okay to enter.
Yeah, those are realized. You can't hear the rest. Okay, let's listen to this.
Stand clear.
I love those bells.
Okay to enter.
Now we're going down to one.
Yeah, put the door in and then put a curtain on it.
Steve's writing his own death knell with me.
I told you, I'm done with them. Had my 2 cents. I made me happy, and I don't ever have to talk to the man again.
How many times did Steve into
Thank
my
you.
office
You're welcome.
Oh my God.
and hover?
I could.
The shaft lights on. Okay, hold on. Yep, Staley's.
Is that me?
I can't get the thumbnail from this angle. Okay, that's it.